the remote's working. I think, yeah. Bought a Insta360 remote. It's a generic remote. It was a lot cheaper, but it's working. Excuse me. So I mowed yesterday, and my wife bought about 9 bags of this insecticide, because when I mow in the back, if I don't wear long pants, man, the chiggers just eat me alive around my inner thighs, and you know, they just itch like crazy. They're microscopic. So this stuff she bought treats those and ants and just every other bug that's out there. So I mowed, and then I got I got 7 bags, and spread it around the front yard and even in the backyard where it wasn't underwater. So hopefully, if I go mow, I mean, you're supposed to water it in, but hopefully if I go mow, I don't get eaten up by chiggers. Those things are horrible, man. They just leave a big old welt and they itch. Itch like crazy. I hate chiggers. Never had them until up here, because I got about 2 acres. In the back is where my wife just goes out and pulls weeds, and she gets getting bit by chiggers too, even in the landscaping. So maybe she'll put some in the landscaping. Oop, close my shield. So we'll see if this remote works, so I don't have to say stop recording. See if it went off. I can't tell if I don't think it went off. Oh, I guess it's recording now, right? Oh, it is recording. Well, I'll be darned. This is Melissa High School. Really nice stadium there. I've been through here before. Just taking a nice ride today. I didn't know this thing was... Guess I can't tell if it's on. It doesn't look like it's on, but it's recording. Yeah, go peek in the neighborhood, peek in the stadium again. We got a big old jumbotron there. This is a town of like 13, not quite 14,000, but look at this stadium. Look at the size of that stadium. Another peek in this side. Look how nice that is. LED lighting too. I've been here before, but I think I'm going to hit the Blue Ridge when football season starts. I went through there. It's really nice. It's a nice high school though. Big high school. Really big high school. Bye. Well, still recording, so I'll stop it this way. I think it stopped. Nope, still recording. Well, shut off. I 'll... Yeah, it's not stopping. Stop recording.